In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off and disable safe browsing on your Chromebook web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your Chromebook browser and select the menu icon up to the top right. And then you want to go down and select where it says Settings. On the left panel, select Privacy and Security. And then over here on the right, underneath Privacy and Security, select the Security button. Select No Protection, select Turn Off, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.